Guys, good morning. It is 3:11 in the morning. I just moved into my new house. So yesterday was absolutely crazy, but I did get some sleep. And I'm fired up. I'm fired up to start today, even if it's early. I got like 6 hours of sleep. Let's get it. Grab your coffee. Guys, we're going to talk about Dogecoin in today's video. And it's absolutely amazing, man. Dogecoin's trading over 12 cents. I'm going to show you why exactly it started to pump. Okay. We shared this with the Patreon. Let's get right into it. Let's go over the charts and let's kind of look at what Dogecoin is doing right now. So I'm pulling up the charts right here. And by the way, guys, I make so many posts on Dogecoin. September 26th, October 3rd, we were talking about this, right? We talked about September 21st. September 17th, purchase more around 10 cents. Okay. So I'm always updating the Patreon pretty much every single week on different cryptos. And I made a post in the Discord and we were all talking about it. We have a great community in there, by the way. You can join for less than $10 a month. And if you pay for the whole year, it's 12% off, which is absolutely amazing. But we were talking about this volume gap right here. Okay. So let me pull this up a little bigger for you. So when Dogecoin was right here, I was calling for a move higher. And you can see that this open gap of volume pretty much just tells us that this asset wants to move and it wants to move fast. And you could see we had a big green candle right here. We had a big green candle right here. We knew this because there was no volume in this area. Okay. We also knew this because the stochastic was in an uptrend. This is a daily time frame, by the way. So every candle represents a day. And we also knew this because we were trading right above the 21 EMA. Okay. Now, let's talk about something else. So we do need to be careful. Right now, we have not made a higher high, but the RSI is lower than the last point. So what does this mean? Well, if this candle, let's say today, because this is this morning, so good morning. If you're just waking up, Dogecoin is up, so you should be very happy this morning. If this candle closes above here, or if it wicks higher, then I would say 1322, and the RSI is lower on the daily time frame than 73, then that's negative divergence, which could be short-term bearish for a daily time frame. So right now it's at 68. Stochastic is pretty high, but that doesn't mean we're just gonna curl down and completely crash. Dogecoin, I think, is actually building some nice legs right here with these higher lows. Okay, so this is all turning into support. You can see it goes back all the way to here. And I was saying 8.4 was the floor right down here. If you bought, congratulations. But people get scared and they're like, oh my gosh, I'm losing all my money. And then it goes up again. You have to understand that this is how crypto, this is how stocks, this is how everything moves. And if you don't have the patience for it, then you do not deserve the gains, just to be honest with you. So we have a low point, we have a higher low, we have a higher low, we have a higher low, we have a higher low. And then we got a higher high, higher high, higher high. So is this now going to make a higher high? Well, if it closes above this, one, that is bullish. But if we can get above this, above 14 cents, then that's very bullish because that will break this downtrend that we've been in. And that will confirm that Dogecoin wants to move much higher. And then the RSI will obviously go much higher as well. Let's look at the weekly and see if there's any negative divergence forming on a weekly time frame. All right, so weekly looks really good because we're back above the 21 EMA. Oh, by the way, guys, if you could drop a like, I would truly appreciate that, and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, especially if you hold Dogecoin. I'm going to be breaking it down every single day for you and making sure that you know where it's moving next and how to take mass profit. Okay, so we're above the 21 EMA, which is great. You could see the RSI right now is actually a really good sign, guys, because the RSI is breaking higher. So no negative divergence at all. RSI is breaking higher, and this candle wants to push higher. So if you got into Dogecoin when we were talking about it and buying the fear at under 9 cents, around 10 cents, I think I even bought some at 11 cents. I've just been buying it every couple days, right? Congrats, you're winning. You understand this game, and you're going to make a ton of money this cycle. Okay, so right now with Dogecoin, just hanging on to it. I will not be adding more here. I was buying down here, so I'm happy with what I have. I probably won't trade it either anytime soon. Let's pull up a monthly and let's look at this. Okay, so monthly looks solid, guys. Above the 21 EMA. The RSI very low at 52. The stochastic is curling right now. So this is really good. Let's pull up. Let me see if I have the MACD. So let's pull up Dogecoin. With the MACD on a weekly. Okay, so we have a cross. So again, very bullish, guys. MACD cross. You could see every time the MACD crosses, what happens. We had a cross over here. Dogecoin rallied when we got above the 21 EMA. We haven't had a cross since this point. This is very important. This was back in February of 2024. Let me zoom in for you because I don't know if you guys are actually understanding and seeing what I'm seeing. We have not had a MACD cross since February of 2024. February of 2024, specifically February 19th of 2024, that week, we were at 8 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over the next 5 weeks, we ran to 22 cents. Okay. So that's almost a 200% return on investment in a matter of a month. MACD cross. MACD cross. No negative divergence. No negative divergence. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay. Let's look back in time. We have some MACD crosses over here. Now, I think we are in this area right here. I think very soon, Dogecoin's going to move much higher, right? Maybe some people might think, oh, well, this was the top, just like this, and now we're crashing down. Okay, maybe, but still we should have a nice solid run. And then technicals will tell us more if this next area is the top, which would be like 16, 17 cents. I don't think so. I don't think the top is in. I think crypto is going to rally much higher, especially with elections literally in a couple weeks. And the next target I have is the 382 level, which is about 32 cents. So MACD cross, RSI looks great, not overbought yet at all. Hope your bags are packed. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a crazy guy that wakes up super early and makes videos for you. It's not even 4 a.m. And I hope you have a great day. And congrats to all Dogecoin holders. See you on the next.